In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book an appointment on Calendly in just about 5 minutes. Let's get started by directing our browser to the homepage of Calendly, a leading free online appointment scheduling software. Picture a clean, user-friendly interface inviting you to take the next step towards organizing your schedule effortlessly. Upon arrival at the site, look for the login button prominently displayed, usually in the top right corner. Clicking this will take you closer to setting up your appointment. Now, for the ease of use and to streamline the process, Calendly offers the option to continue with your Google account. This is a handy feature if you want to integrate your Calendly appointments directly with your Google Calendar, allowing you to manage all your commitments from one place. Click on Continue with Google to proceed. At this point, you'll see a list of your Google accounts or be prompted to log in if you're not already signed in. Select the account you prefer to use with Calendly. This choice will influence where your appointment invitations and confirmations go, so choose the one you check most frequently or use for professional purposes. After selecting your account, you'll likely be asked to grant Calendly permission to access your Google Calendar. This is crucial for avoiding double bookings by letting Calendly see when you're free or busy. Click Continue to grant these permissions. Once you've successfully logged in, you're now ready to dive into the heart of Calendly. Navigate to the dashboard by going to your Calendly profile. Here you'll be greeted with a variety of event types you can schedule. These are customizable appointments you've set up or preset options provided by Calendly. Find the event type that suits your meeting's needs and click on View Booking Page. This action takes you to a dedicated page for that particular type of appointment, where you can see available dates and times. Choose a date that works for you and your invitees. The availability will be displayed based on your current settings. Each date highlighted is an opportunity to connect. Ensure it aligns with your schedule. After selecting a date, you'll then select a time. Times are shown according to your set working hours in Calendly and the availability you've previously defined. Browse through the options and click on one that fits your schedule. With a time selected, you're prompted to hit Next. This brings you closer to finalizing your appointment, directing you to a form where personalization happens. Here you'll type in your name. It's a simple step but important for personalization, especially if you're scheduling the meeting for someone else or managing multiple calendars. Next, provide your email address. This is essential not just for confirmation but also for any updates or changes to the appointment. Make sure this information is accurate to ensure smooth communication. With all the necessary details filled, you're now ready to finalize the booking. Click on Schedule Event to seal the deal. A sense of accomplishment often accompanies this click, knowing you've efficiently organized a meeting without the back and forth typically associated with scheduling. And just like that, you've successfully booked an appointment on Calendly. Await your confirmation email and know you've taken a significant step in streamlining your scheduling process, allowing you more time to focus on what truly matters. Remember, Calendly is a powerful tool designed to simplify your appointment scheduling. With today's guide, you're well equipped to make the most out of this platform, enhancing your productivity and communication with ease. Thank you for joining this tutorial. Looking forward to seeing you apply these steps and enjoy the benefits of organized scheduling with Calendly.